ATX motherboards for Intel i7 ensure high performance, expandability, stable power delivery, efficient cooling, and support for advanced components and upgrades. My today's video is about top 5 best ATX motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS ATX motherboard. This Intel LGA 1700 motherboard is a high-performance platform built for 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors, offering strong future-proofing with support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, making it ideal for both gaming and demanding productivity tasks. Its 16 plus 1 DRMOS power design, ProCool connectors, DG plus VRM, and military-grade components ensure stable and efficient power delivery even under heavy load, enhancing durability and overclocking potential. The advanced cooling system, including VRM heatsinks, M.2 heatsinks, fanless PCH design, and Fan Expert 4 control, keeps thermals under control during long gaming sessions. Connectivity is another strength, featuring Wi-Fi 6, Intel 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and TUF LAN guard for stable, high-speed networking. With multiple M.2 slots for ultra-fast NVMe storage and rich expansion options, this board delivers excellent speed, reliability, and upgrade flexibility, making it a solid choice for serious PC builders seeking long-term performance. Now our second product is Gigabyte ATX motherboard. This AMD AM5-socket motherboard is a next-generation platform designed to fully unlock the power of Ryzen 7000 series processors, making it a strong foundation for high-end gaming and productivity builds. With DDR5 support across 4 SMD DIMM slots and compatibility for both AMD Expo and Intel XMP profiles, it ensures flexible, high-speed memory tuning for maximum system responsiveness. The 12 plus 2 plus 2-phase digital VRM design delivers stable and efficient power distribution, allowing consistent performance even under heavy workloads or overclocking scenarios. Its advanced thermal architecture, including dedicated VRM cooling and M.2 thermal guard, helps maintain optimal temperatures for both power delivery and SSD performance during extended use. Storage and expansion are well covered with PCIe 5.0 and PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, ensuring ultra-fast data transfer speeds. Combined with modern USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 connectivity, this motherboard offers excellent stability, speed, and future-ready features for serious PC enthusiasts. Our third product is MSI ATX motherboard. This LGA 1700 motherboard is a reliable and performance-focused platform designed to support 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, along with Pentium Gold and Celeron CPUs, making it suitable for a wide range of users from budget builders to performance seekers. Its support for high-speed DDR4 memory up to 4800 plus MHz OC in dual-channel configuration ensures responsive multitasking and smooth system performance in gaming and productivity workloads. The Core Boost technology, combined with a premium digital power design, enhances CPU stability by efficiently distributing power, allowing the system to handle higher core counts with improved reliability. Additionally, Memory Boost technology ensures cleaner data signals, reducing interference and improving overall memory stability, compatibility, and performance consistency. With its balanced feature set, this motherboard delivers a solid combination of affordability, stability, and upgrade potential, making it a dependable choice for users who want strong Intel performance without moving to DDR5 platforms. Now number 4, ASRock ATX motherboard. This DDR5 motherboard is built for next-generation performance, combining cutting-edge connectivity, speed, and stability for modern gaming and high-end computing. With support for both XMP and Expo DDR5 memory profiles, it ensures easy overclocking and optimized memory performance for maximum system responsiveness. The inclusion of PCIe 5.0 alongside surface mount technology and a reinforced steel PCIe slot enhances durability while delivering ultra-fast bandwidth for the latest GPUs. Storage performance is equally impressive, featuring high-speed M.2 PCIe Gen 4x4 support for rapid load times and smooth data handling. The intelligent cooling design helps maintain stable temperatures across critical components, ensuring consistent performance during heavy workloads or long gaming sessions. Connectivity is future-ready with Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6E, providing low latency, high-speed wireless networking ideal for competitive gaming and streaming. Completing the package, polychrome RGB adds customizable lighting aesthetics, making this motherboard a balanced blend of performance, durability, cooling efficiency, and visual appeal for enthusiasts. And our last choice is Shangzhou Huayuan ATX motherboard. This LGA 1150 Mini IDX motherboard is a solid choice for users building or upgrading systems based on 4th Gen Intel Core i7, i5, and i3 processors, offering dependable compatibility with popular CPUs like the i7 4790K and i5 4690K. Supporting up to 16 GB of dual-channel DDR3 memory, it delivers stable, everyday performance for office tasks, multimedia use, and light gaming. The 4-phase power design with all solid-state capacitors ensures consistent and reliable power delivery, improving long-term durability. Connectivity is surprisingly versatile for its class, featuring HDMI, VGA, and DisplayPort outputs, dual gigabit LAN ports, PCIe 3.0x16 expansion, M.2 NVMe support, SATA 3.0, and USB 3.0 for fast data access. The H97 chipset and heat dissipation armor enhance thermal stability and communication efficiency, while the compact Mini IDX form factor makes it ideal for space-saving builds. Overall, it is a practical, budget-friendly motherboard for legacy Intel systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.